Alright, so today we'll be talking about modeling real-world data with sinusoidal functions. Alright, so any formula you want to work with, you do have to know if it's going to be a sinusoidal or, uh, I'll tell you how to know if it's the difference between sine and cosine after this. Okay? But you need to find the three letters first, H, K, and B. And then we will use those three letters to actually find out what H, K, and B, or A, K, and B to find out what H is going to be. So A is just half the difference of the largest Y value and the smallest. So you subtract the largest minus the smallest, and you divide by 2. Now K, amazingly enough, is half of the sum of the largest and smallest. So those two are the easiest to get. Now B, usually you'll be given what the period is, or you have to think about, like if you're looking at waves, you have to think about the difference between high tide and high tide, and that period, that distance, or that time length. Solve 2 pi divided by B equals period for B, because you'll be given period, so just find B. Okay. Now, once you have all these things, the only sucky part is you actually have to find H. So what you're going to do is plug in A, B, and K, and then solve for H into the actual formula. Now, if you have a graph that is going to be looking like this, or something like this, that type of thing, use cosine. Why? Because cosine always starts at the crest of the wave and then it goes down, or it starts at the valley of the wave and goes up. Okay? Now, if your graph starts out in the middle and then goes like this, or it starts out down here and then goes up and then comes back down, use sine. Okay, it just helps out when you actually do it. Alright, so that's everything that you need to know for modeling real-world data with sinusoidal functions. Get your data tables, just match it up with this, and you should be all good. Okay? Alright, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.